We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone connected to Wi-Fi but no internet connection. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be a frustrating problem when your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi but there's no internet, because you then can't go and fully use your iPhone. You can't go and search for things, you can't go and download things, etc. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. To go and get started, head into the settings on your iPhone like so. Go down and you can go and find the option for Wi-Fi and tap there. Now, in some cases, it may go and say no internet connection, but it may still say it's connected, but it still isn't working. First of all, what you can try doing is simply turning off Wi-Fi, go and turn it back on and reconnect, go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, press the I to the right, press forget this network and press forget. Then what you can do is go and click on it again, and you can go and try joining it, enter in the password, go and see if that then goes and solves it. If it still doesn't, don't worry. The next thing you want to try doing is coming back to your settings. Go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for general. Next, you want to go down and you want to go and find the option for date and time. Make sure that you have it set automatically. If it's set wrong and it tries to go and connect, in some cases it can run into problems and it won't go and work. So make sure it's set automatically. If that still isn't solving it, you want to make sure your phone isn't trying connecting to a VPN. So switch off VPN here. If you've got some type of VPN app, go and open it up and go and stop it. You can also come into your settings and come to general. Scroll down and you want to go and find VPN and device management, and you can go and delete VPNs here as well. Make sure your iPhone isn't trying to connect, as that can go and cause problems. If that still isn't working, what you can try doing is pressing the volume increase, decrease, and tap on hold the side button to go and perform a restart. Keep it held down, the screen should go black, and when you go and see the Apple icon again, you can release. And now it's going to go and start. Go and be patient while this goes and happens. When it comes back on, then what you can do is try and connect to the internet and hope now it's working. If it still isn't, it's definitely worth going and just checking the router and the internet is actually working to that by using it on another device, as it could be a problem with the actual internet and you need to contact your ISP. But hopefully it's now working. Leave a like if you found this useful.